Save me from myself, holding my savior. Keep my heart upon the shelf. Do you remember the things we said, the things we felt?
So this one is a special edition with the Daytona exhaust. So in India we are still getting the normal folks, no USD this time. I think there are stock sliders, fairing sliders.
I need an angel to save me from myself, holding my savior, to keep my heart upon a shelf. Do you remember the things we said, the things we felt? Falling forever.
Seems like it's coming right from the racetrack.